Hello everyone, how are you? This session I am going to teach PowerPivot magic. This is the data, raw data. We want to make a table, insert table locker. Rename the table as data. Go to the custom ribbon, more comments. Here is custom ribbon. From here you can add developer tab if you do not have. So this already have the developer tab added, so no need to add. Okay, go back, go to the com add-ins. Here is PowerPivot ribbon, add this. Okay, the PowerPivot tab is available, so our work is started. This is our data table where project, activity and the date. First we need to add to the data model. Click add to data model. Add it here. We can see the data model. All data table is added to the data model. Go to the create pivot table. We'll create a new pivot table to a new sheet. Pivot table is created, but we need to give the data. Before that, we'll go to create a measure. New measure. We can rename the measure name value field. Description we can as is, comma. This is the main part. We need to create a formula, concatex. First we need to add the table, data. Put here comma. We need to add the column date. Later on, we need another comma within invited comma. No error in this formula, so we can go forward. Okay, already a value field is created, so we need to add another field for column and rows. Go to the data table, in pivot table fields, project in row, activity in column. Pivot table is created, but it's not good looks. So what we should do, as it is not a value, so we need to remove the subtotal and the grand total. Change the option of row and columns. So this is something we want, or something looks good. In design tab, we can design different color, we can pick as from dark or from others color. Is your choice. Which table you will be chosen. Here we are renaming the project in column level we will renaming this as activity. And value field is the date. So finally we have the table of the schedule, but it's manually updated data. So we want to be a table which will be updated by clicking a button. Mark for header. Our header will be project schedule. You can format the header by changing the font. Here we will increase the font size 24, margin in the middle. We want to give a color in the fill and the font. Okay, teal color is here for the fill and white color will be for the font. It looks good. So later on we'll add a button. Insert a comment button. Here is a comment button. So we need to change the property as we want. For the caption, updated data. We can change the background color and the fore color. If we don't want to be a printable, if int object will be false, we can change the font size of this button. Is 24, we can take it 11. Okay, close the button. Now we have to give some code of Visual Basics. So right click here on view code. Go to the view code. We need to write down some code here. Application dot here is the magic point. Enable events. First we need to go enable events for false. Then we need to refresh the workbook. This workbook dot refresh all. Later on, application dot enable events will be true. This is the simple code by which we can get. So this workbook need to be saved, not for the normal workbook, Excel workbook. We need to be macroenable workbook. You can select binary workbook or macroenable workbook. These all are macroenable. So this is simple. Now data will be updated if you click the button. As there is no new data, so there is no updating new field. So first of all we have to give the new data in sheet 1. Later on we have to click this button and we'll get the refreshed data. We can take the project 9 data activity as it is. We can, as we have the demo data, If will be actual data, these will also be refreshed after clicking the update data. We need to change project 8 to 9. Yes, that is. Project 9, drag and drop or copy to all. Now go to the sheet 2 and click to the updated data. The data will be refreshed after project 9. If this tutorial will helpful to you, please subscribe this channel, like and